Now what me who say Kwame Eugene look alike be a trinity and chana who say a kid in so dear a trinity fair ni je say obi no be say near that but to go as far as nipa never be na stage with you look on so kita mic no performing there media no there and twa yi ama me empanifo say ohina we ni futu for it akrabu ni tri eto de be na me wonder the kind of people am be no advice for industry mo. There's one spot for everybody. You have that spot. Don't invite your look-alike and introduce your look-alike to the world. The next minute, no be call Google no. Me quite na Google #1 on trending. Yeah, Kwame Eugene look-alike, not Kwame Eugene himself. Stop cannibalizing yourself in the industry. It's not the best. This is an advice from the big man in the business. Experience am de kasa. One year careful na me amamu a. O channel create competition ma ho. Emwa. Kwame Eugene Kofi Eugene. And a kidney. Emwa kra.